Looking like an escaped bird of prey.
The best bit of the day is relaxing with marbles. Ah! Okay, she was cute. Okay.
So guys, it is first official day of going to work. I'm a bit nervous, I'm not gonna lie, but look, I got my lunch right here and I got my face shield in here because, girl, I'm protecting myself. I got my mask in there as well. My uniform is in my bag because we have to change when we get there, so wear different clothes to get there and then get changed when you're there. P.S. what do you think? Have to do them short because obviously health and safety and all this. But I got nails back. I did them last night. Do you guys like it? It's with hard gel. I thought I'd try something different. Anyway, let's go. This early and like ready for a long time. I know that sounds really dramatic, but it's the truth. Like, I like my sleep and I like my lyings. I'm not going to lie to you, but it's fine. I woke up, I got ready, I showed up, I put makeup on, which I don't always do. Oh no, there's too much weight on my seat. Something has to go. Lunch. Water bottles heavy. But yeah, I got my water with lemon as well. So guys, we are probably about halfway through my day. I've just been trying to get used to everything again and used to all the new procedures and things. It's actually quite a lot. Oh my god, my glasses. So this is what we have to wear when we're doing treatments. It's a face shield. You don't have to wear a mask underneath. I like to wear a mask for extra protection though, just because I really feel like it does just protect you. And yeah, I mean, there's a lot of sanitizing and everything. So, I mean, the way that we're working is after your treatment, we have like a 20-minute sanitization where we sanitize the room and obviously all our shields and everything as well. So yeah, it's quite full on. I would say it's very, very different. It's not very busy. Look at me, I'm steaming. But yeah, I just want to give you a little update. Am I looking chic? Am I looking fabulous? Am I looking chic? If this had Dior on it, all you bitches would buy it. Trust me. If it didn't say face shield, it said Christian Dior, all these bitches would be on this. Trust me, bitch. Girl, what bird is that? You're looking like an oh shit. You're looking like an escaped bird of prey. Please don't eat me. Aww, are you lost? Hiya. Hiya. Wow, I'm so close. What's the matter? Oh, I think he's lost. Hey? You don't look like you're afraid of humans. What's in your eye? There's something in your eye. It's alright, sorry. Wow. It's a feather in your eye. I want to stroke you, but I think you might attack me. Are you okay? Just sit here for a bit with you. Hiya. Do I look weird to you? Oh. Hey everybody. It's the end of day, technically day one of actually working at work. Girl, am I tired? My God, I forgot how much massage takes it out of you. Obviously, we're just doing the back of the body, but wow. I'm tired, my back hurts. Tired. And I just binge ate like 20 biscuits because I was tired. Whoops. Oh my God, P.S. Did you see that bird that I just saw outside? Like, that's crazy. It was just over there. Just on the ground, like this. It was cute though. And I feel sad for it. So, oh, I feel like it's lost. It needs a friend. Either way, I don't know if I'm going to do like 2 days at work or just 1 day vlog. I'm not quite sure. So, I don't know. But either way, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. It's a little bit it's a bit of an insight into my day, I suppose. As always, thank you for watching, and until next time, I'll see you all really soon. Bye!